Alright, kids, today we're gonna have a family day off.
Yay!
Alright, we're going to the park today, play baseball, alright?
Okay.
How was school today, Stevie?
Oh, it was good. But you know the one fat kid that I told you about?
Yeah.
He was bullying me today.
What he was doing?
I was trying to go grab a pencil from a teacher.
Right.
And he pushed me and he said he's gonna go first.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna speak to the principal about that, alright?
Okay.
Alright, Stevie.
Hey, Dad, can I tell you something?
What is it, Stevie?
You know I got an A on my test today?
Wow.
What are you gonna buy me?
Everybody clap for Stevie. Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Alright, guys.
What are you gonna buy me, Dad?
I'm gonna buy you a car.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you, Daddy.
You're welcome, son. Hey, yo, listen up, little niggas, you heard?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know your dad been blood since day one, you heard?
Yeah, I hear you.
And I want to put you on the game and shit. And since you the oldest, Daquan, I'm gonna put you
Yeah.
up first, you heard? Dap me up real quick, dap me up, man. You know what I'm saying? Your daddy love you, you know what I'm saying? All the time, you know what I'm saying? How that shit go, you know what I'm saying? My man. You know what I'm saying? And that's your, hey, yo, Tata. Yo,
Tata fucked you in the head, boy.
yo, listen to your big brother, you heard? Yo, listen, you better pop that little white boy fucking with your little brother, you heard?
I popped it the other day.
Oh, you popped him already?
Yeah.
Dap me up real quick, dap me up.
That nigga took my lunch money though.
He took your lunch money?
Yeah.
Say word.
Okay,
Yo, you crazy, you got that nigga, you heard?
No.
Alright, man, we gonna do this though, you heard?
We gonna go to the Aki store?
We about to go rob that store real quick, you heard? اسمعوا يا عيالي ها
ايوه
شوفوا شنو تشتحطوا بالدكاكين وتبقعوا رجال تمام
ايوه
عينوا هذول العيال عليك قالوا ماسكين حق ابوهم ما يفلتوه ولا يفزع من الرقص ولا شيء سمعت
ايوه
وبعدين كم دخلت اليوم يا علي؟
اليوم دخلنا 2400
2400
ايوه
والخارج كم
من
هو؟
الساعة 12 للساعة 12
والخارج كم هو؟
الخارج طلع $700 بس
وانت يا محسن
هذا الجني هذا ابنك هذا لا اقول له يعبي الصودا
اخوك عيب اخوك
انا الكبير كيف يحترمني؟
اسالك بالله ما اللي يطلب لك 24 ساعه وبالاخير نطلع مديون للمحل، من هو هذا؟
يعني هذاك يقول لي يصير عبى الصودا وصار يحجز
انت شوف يا محسن انت عليك ما يسمع يا ابني اسمعوا انت عليك انت عبى الثلاجات كن عبى الثلاجات انت وانت مقرقست وانت كنوا على السرق وبس
تمسك المحل
هذا
انت قايل لك عندك تحت 21 ما يصح
هذا الشيء وحي وبه من يسرقه كيف يباع على السرق؟
لا وقع عليه لا يجي يسرقوا
يلا
اللي
خلاص
ظل فوق الفيسبوك لا صدقش
التلفون انا اقول لكم التلفون ادخلوا دكاني ما تستعمل تلفون
أنا لا
عند المهندس ما ندخل
انا كنت قلت ودي شغال بدل هو يقص بالبيت لو
خليه
حط
كذا.
الفيسبوك لكن ما يفهمش
وقعدوا بخت الجهل هذا يلا